I cook Coffeemaker thermal 12-cup programmable coffee machine. Programmable Coffeemaker. You can enjoy the perfect cup of coffee every morning automatically with the help of programmable timer clock. Brew strength control. The 12-cup coffee machine has aroma control button, allows you to adjust the strength of the coffee to your own taste. 12-cup Coffeemaker. Enjoy the perfect cup of coffee no matter how much coffee you brew. With 51.24 ounces water reservoir, you only need to add fresh water every 10 cup. Anti-drip system. This coffee brewer is with anti-drip system, allows you pause and pour mid-brew with virtually no mess. Triple guarantee, 2 years warranty for 10-cup Coffeemaker. We provide lifelong technical consultation and customer service. BPA-free material for water tank and hull certification. Give you a powerful safety guarantee. Packaged in gift box, suitable for gift giving. Check the product reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. If you want to buy, you should go to video description. All product links in description.